In this video, I will show you how you can exchange reference electrolyte. Let's see. From time to time, it is necessary to completely exchange the electrolyte. Therefore, for most pH electrodes, you have to remove the electrolyte from the filler opening using a pipette. Refill the electrode up to the opening with the correct electrolyte. If your electrode is of easy clean type, you can open the filler opening, press on the electrode head, and let the electrolyte flow out by the diaphragm. Release the head and refill up to the filler opening with the correct electrolyte. In this case, 3 molar potassium chloride. If your electrode has a flexible ground joint diaphragm, open the sleeve of the flexible ground joint, then open the filler opening and let the electrolyte flow out by the diaphragm. Push the sleeve back into position and refill the electrode with the correct electrolyte.